In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create a clear professional report from your information. To get started, open ChatGPT and clearly explain what kind of report you need. This first instruction matters because the quality of the output depends heavily on how well you define the task. Be direct and specific. For example, describe whether you need a business report, research summary, project update, market analysis, or another type of document. The more clearly you frame the request, the easier it will be for ChatGPT to respond in a useful way. Next, provide the key background details, the topic of the report, the goal you want it to achieve, the intended audience, and the format you want the final report to follow. This helps shape both the tone and structure. If the report is for executives, you may want it to be concise and insight-driven. If it is for a technical team, you may want more detail and explanation. You can also mention whether you want a formal report, a presentation-style summary, or a structured document with headings and subheadings. After that, upload or paste in the data, notes, or source material you want ChatGPT to use. This could include meeting notes, research findings, spreadsheets, written observations, or excerpts from existing documents. Make sure the content is organized enough to understand and remove any private or sensitive information before sharing it. Once the material is in place, ask ChatGPT to organize the report into logical sections. This is where the report starts to take shape. A good structural structure makes the content easier to read and helps ensure nothing important gets buried or overlooked. Then request the core parts of the report: an executive summary, key findings, analysis, and recommendations. These sections give your report both clarity and value. The executive summary provides a quick overview. The key findings highlight what matters most. The analysis explains the meaning behind the information, and the recommendations suggest next steps or actions. If visuals would help support the content, ask ChatGPT to create charts or tables where needed. These can make patterns, comparisons, and trends much easier to understand, especially for readers who need quick insights. Before you finalize anything, review the report carefully for accuracy, clarity, and missing details. AI can save time, but your review is still essential to make sure the report reflects the information correctly. Finally, edit the report so it sounds polished and ready to share. Refine the wording, fix any awkward sections, and make sure it matches your voice and purpose before sending or publishing it.